Hi, and welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. I'm Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to unbag Nadine West, so stay tuned. So today we're doing Nadine West, and I've had a lot of trouble with Nadine West in the past, but some of you have been very encouraging and suggesting I give them another try. Somehow, in some way, my profile ended up at a 2X. And then other sizes were all over the place. And I know I went in, put in the right sizes for me, and then I went in and rechecked them because I was getting 2X items. Lo and behold, it's been fixed. We don't know what happened, but I now have the correct sizes. And I did open the bag a little bit and I took out one piece just to see where we were on sizes, whether I was gonna film this or not. And luckily, they are the right sizes. So let's get into it. So we start out with the item that I first saw, which is super soft, almost cashmere-like soft. This beautiful gray top with a V-neck. Isn't that beautiful? And as always, I do try-ons after we go through the bag and boxes. But I think this would look great with the gray leggings they sent. Now, I'm curious. I'm a little older. I don't stay on trend. I try to sneak trendy pieces into my wardrobe here and there. Are people still wearing leggings? You've got to comment. Help me out here. I get leggings in this bag every time, and I don't wear leggings much anymore. I just kind of thought that nobody was wearing them anymore. So comment below. Give me some advice. Tell me whether I should or shouldn't. Okay, well, let's keep moving on then. That's a cute outfit, but I really do love this top. I've been looking now towards the fall and wanting some tops that are not heavy, not sweaters yet, but lightweight, longer sleeves. So this fits the bill perfectly. All right. Let's see what we have here. Oh, a mask. Oh, and by the way, when I try this on, I will give you the designer and prices at that point. It is a mask. Okay. This is all unbundled, so we're just gonna unbundle it together. Okay. Here is a headband. Very cute, very preppy. I love that. I would wear it, definitely. Cute. And then it looks like we have a top. Okay, it's not gonna be easy for you to even see this until I do try it on, but there are little straps. I'll hold it up. There, now I know you could see a little bit of it. There's tiny straps in the very front in the neckline, and it is a V-neck. There's a good shot, you should be able to see it there. And this is a tunic, definitely a tunic. Honestly, now that you all have gotten to know me a little bit, this could be a dress for me. It's that long. But we are at the right size. This is actually a medium. So we'll see, maybe it runs a little big. It looks like it might be a little small. All right, and then, ooh, nice. Okay, so here is a pair of like joggers. They're quite nice. They tie at the waist. And yeehaw, we got pockets. Oh, that's exciting. They're really soft. Now, I don't know if they're gonna be the right length for me. They are looking quite long. They do have an elastic band at the very bottom. These are the right size. I'm all for it. So far, we're doing really great. I am really happy that some of you encouraged me to give it another try. So out of the bag comes another bundle. And I apologize for the dogs barking, but I apologize in every video for them barking. Okay, so here's another bundle that came undone. And here is my invoice. Yep, my invoice. So we'll go over the invoice when I try these items on. I see a top that I'm really interested in. Yeah, I love this. And in fact, this is a dress. It has to be. It's very long, but I'm afraid it might be a little tight. We'll see. I'll definitely do a try on. If it's really tight, like every lump and bump, you ain't seen it on me. No way, no how. But if it's reasonably fitted, I will definitely let you see it. All right, I was hoping this was a top. I love stripes, love them. And I can see how they're pairing some of these items together. And I believe I have one more black shirt here. Oh, this is nice. Just a plain black V-neck. Oh, what are these sizes? They're seeming, this is a large, but it seems quite tight. But I'll definitely try it on and see if maybe they do exchange and do a larger size for me. All right, and now the next bundle is in a bundle how they usually do come. See, here's some loose paper. Okay, let's unwrap this. Not a lot of color in this one. Here is more black and gray. Okay, so it looks like another pair of pants, but these are very heavy and lined. Okay, they're like joggers. That was my dog bumping the camera. Okay, so here is the tie waist, elastic tie waist. And let's see, pockets, no pockets, what do we think? Yes, and there are pockets. My only fear with these are that they would be very hot. They are lined all the way to the bottom. And the bottom is, they look like they've just been kind of hacked off. That looks absolutely terrible. They look like just a scissors cut them off. They're gonna be too long for me, but I'll show you what they look like on. Yeah, that bottom is not impressive at all. Okay, we have one more item. And this is a large, and this has to be a dress. Yeah. And it might be a good fit. And it has pockets. Yay! That just, why does that excite me so much? That's kind of ridiculous, but I need pockets, I want pockets. So I'm looking forward to trying this on. I really hope that it isn't too tight. So next will be the try on. So hang on and I'll come out in one of the outfits. Okay, so this is the first outfit and I like it. That is if I should be going out in leggings anymore. I know with the winter coming, or fall I should say, we might be wearing more leggings then. I don't know. I really need some help in the comments below. Let me know if leggings are just gone out and should I return them. The top, I love. Absolutely love the top. Fits like a glove and it feels fantastic on the skin. Prices. This invoice is the tiniest little thing and I'm going to show it to you. Look at that writing. I'm 50. It's hard. But this gray striped shirt, and they're very, very specific about their prices. It's kind of humorous. This top is $24.49, and the bottoms are $35.99. So I'd have to say the top is a keep for me. I like it. It's good going in fall. It's not full long sleeve, so it kind of looks fall-ish. So top, sure, absolutely. Pants, I honestly have gray leggings that I've been stashed away and I don't wear them anymore. Again, let me know if I should pull those out and get wearing them again. All right, I'll get into the next outfit. The leggings, another pair of pants and a top. All right, so here is outfit number 2. Black top, black pants. These are the pants that I showed you that had a cuff on the bottom. I have to roll that under in order for these to actually fit me. But they fit nice everywhere else. It's just the fact of the matter, it's me, it's my problem, my height. So the top is okay, it fits a little snug. It has a slit here on the side, and there's high-low hem. I'm really not into the high-low hem. I never have been. It's just not who I am. So unfortunately, this outfit is a no for me, but the price is, this top, this black top is $21.49, and the black pants is $39.19. Like I said, the prices are very specific. Yeah, so there's absolutely nothing wrong with this outfit. It's just me and my height. I'll move on to the next outfit. Okay, so here is the next outfit. The top is too tight. I really like it, except for it's just far too long for me. It hangs way down to here, and then it's way down almost halfway to my knees in the front. The material is fine, just a little too tight for me. And the pants, they're charcoal for one, and secondly, the pants are so long, they're dragging on the ground. You don't even see my feet. I have to bring them up quite a bit. And these were the one that have the bottom hem that looks like they were chewed off by a bad scissors. So I just wanted to show you the outfit. Both pieces are a no. The top, black top, is $24.49, and the bottoms are $20.19. Something else I just happened to notice, I'm missing two pieces. They say that I should have a gold bracelet and a multicolor something, and besides the headband that I showed you. So I'm guessing I'm gonna have to make a phone call or email them and find out. I just don't want to get billed for pieces that never made it in the bag. So on to the two dresses. I'm really excited about these. All right, so here is the striped dress. It is what I expected to be. It's a little too tight for me. There's no way I'd leave my house looking like this. So you're lucky to be seeing me looking like this. And this dress, price on this one is $29.99. I wanted to show it to you. If it was a larger size, I would absolutely be purchasing this dress. This is an item that I may see if they can exchange a different size for me. So here it is. We've got one more dress to try on. All right, so this is the last piece, the final piece being the dress that I was the most excited about. It has pockets like I mentioned, but I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can see how it puckers, and because of where the pockets are, they pop open. If this was a little shorter, or if it fit the right person, the right height, they wouldn't do that. I like the dress. It just looks a little weird with the gaping and the pulling here. It's a wonderful dress and it's finished nicely. They have a nice cuff here, right on the sleeve, so it looks finished and polished. I could see belting this. It would be a nice staple piece. Again, I think it's a no. And then I put on the headband. I thought it was cute. I think I might keep it. And let me see, the headband is $15.19. Again, with those odd numbers. But this was Nadine West. Now, Nadine West always does a $9.78 styling fee. And that gets credited to anything that you purchase. You do have 3 to 5 days to try these items on, and the same bag that they came in, you use that exact same bag to ship it out. Right with the invoice is the next label for you to ship back to them. And easy peasy. I love it. It's a nice service. I wish I found more items that I love that I could purchase through them, but we've gotten over the hump. We got through the sizing problem, so I believe I'm gonna give them another try. I've at least found one shirt that I do like and that I will keep. It'll be a nice addition to my closet. Well, I want to thank each and every one of you for spending time with me today. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. hit the subscribe button and the bell. And here is Suki to say goodbye. Thank you all and take care.